In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download your Doordash receipts with this quick tutorial. If you're a regular Doordash user, you might find it useful to keep track of your purchases or even to use your receipts for budgeting or expense reporting. Let's walk through the steps together. First off, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Doordash website by typing in the URL or simply searching for Doordash in a search engine. Once you're on the home page, make sure you're logged into your account. If not, there will be an option to log in at the top right corner. Enter your credentials and you're good to go. Once you're logged in, your next step is to locate the Orders section. This is typically found in the menu at the top of the page. Clicking on Orders will take you to a list of all your recent purchases. This is a handy feature that Doordash provides to easily review what you've ordered in the past. From here, you'll see a list of your past orders. Click on the specific order for which you wish to download the receipt. Doing so will take you to the order details page where you can see all the specifics about that transaction. It's a great way to confirm all the items, the total cost, and any additional fees you might have incurred. Now here comes the straightforward part, downloading your receipt. Look for the option that says download receipt or a similar link or button. Clicking it will prompt the download. This will save a copy of your receipt, usually as a PDF file, onto your device. PDFs are great since they're easy to view and share, and they maintain the formatting of the document. You're almost done with our tutorial, but here's a quick tip. Even if you don't have any recent orders to download a receipt from today, you'll still get a feel for the layout and what to expect when you do place your next order. Receipts will typically include the restaurant name, items ordered, prices, taxes, tips, and the overall total. Finally, even if my account doesn't show any orders at the moment to illustrate this visually, you now have a practical understanding of the process. If needed, when you do get access to your orders, you could also view a sample receipt to familiarize yourself with how it looks once downloaded, and that's all there is to it. Downloading your receipts from Doordash is a straightforward process that you can complete in just a few clicks. It's a fantastic tool for staying organized. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more tutorials to make your life just a little bit easier. See you next time.